taking a little ride today. See what kind of damage is around. You see the snow. We get dumped with, well, some parts of the state get as much as 21, 22 inches of snow. We get about a foot here, but it's dropping pretty fast because the temperature's back up in the 40s and 50s. Knew it wasn't going to stay around long, but it just sure made a mess. It was really hazardous driving too. You can see bent down trees. Well, we see some broken down trees. People still ain't got power. We're going right now to take a generator to some friends that don't have power. And they're not due to get power back maybe until another 2 days and a night before they get power back. As you can see, there's tree there now. Not so bad right in this area. It was a very wet, heavy snow.
Train, Mike.
Well, yeah. And the train is headed south. See one. Boy, the look I got from my wife.
I'll show you something.
Hey? I love you, darling.
I love you too,
Oh, we got something flying up there.
honey. Yeah, looks like an eagle.
See?
It's an eagle. It is too. It's an eagle.
Yeah, it was an eagle up there. It was just a little blitz. I don't even know if I caught it. I don't even know if I got the eagle on the film or not.
Power line down.
No, that's not a power line.
Probably a TV or cable.
TV or a phone or something. Branch down there.
Look at that.
Major. Look at what? Yeah, telephone pole fell over.
It's right on the lines.
And everything's soft. The ground's full. Hey, look at that over there. There's a tree come down.
Wow, yeah.
Just missed the house.
That's right.
Out back of the house there. There are some areas that are hit harder.
I should have went that way.
Have weaker trees. That way's bad.
Yeah. Look.
Yeah, that ain't much. Water's high too.
Yeah, it is.
The river is up high. Sylvester Cook River. There's some down there.
Look at that.
coming up. That one there. Debris in the road here.
Yeah.
Way to hit it down.
Just
Good
showing-
job.
Oh wow. You see that?
Yep. Water's coming over the dam.
There it is.
Wow, water is real high on this side of the dam. Granted, it's not any higher than it is on the other side. It just looks higher. Birch trees bent over, and there's a branch right there you just missed. Did you even see that other branch
Yep.
hanging in the road?
I did.
You just missed it.
I didn't hit him.
Well, I'm glad you didn't, because it would have took the windshield out.
Oh, it wouldn't have.
Yeah, it would have.
You want to drive?
No, I can't drive because you don't know how to do the videoing. If I weren't trying to video some stuff, I might want to drive because I drive better than you.
I got something to say to you, but I'm not going to do it while you're
Ah, look at this here. Over there.
Yeah.
Pines. The pines get hard.
right on the house.
Pines get it hard. They're not throwing a lot of snow. Maples aren't either. Any tree's got any weaknesses. When the snow builds up like that, and it was wet, heavy snow. I mean, we're talking this 90% water that snow was. Well, I mean, it's all water, frozen water, technically, but it was very wet. It was as wet as it could be and still be snow.
Hold on, honey.
Yeah,
Hold on to your sneakers.
I'm holding. Yeah, birch trees. Although they don't generally snap, they tend to bend over.
This road is rough, people. Rough.
Yes, it's a very rough road. Get ready for a bouncy ride. And when it's time to come pick up the generator, because I got the power back, I think I'm going to bring the truck.
Wow.
Yes, because I don't want to smell gas all the way home. It's probably coming out of the generator, not the tank, because the tank is sealed off. It's probably sloshing a little bit up on the tank. Cap. Cap. Go a little faster, why don't you?
I will.
Maybe we'll fly over it.
Look at this.
Yeah. That was say that one was down. It's getting cut.
Yeah. Looks like it was right across.
Probably coming across the road. Or it was just so broken they decided to take it down. There's some trees uprooted right into the river.
Look at that. It's like,
Yeah. Get down in there and check underneath that. See if there's any gold. Maybe we can do that in spring come.
well, that's right in the dooryard.
Maybe we get spring. Maybe if we ever get spring and summer.
Hate it.
Every time we seem to start getting that way, then old Mother Nature's choosing to do something different. Yeah.
Is it over there?
I don't want to even show that place. It's so nasty. Look at that. Big pine trees down there. And folks, we are here. So I will come back on another one. This is volume uno of the damage